Welcome to the video on adjustable concrete cups for putting greens. In this wheelbarrow, we have our concrete mix. It is 1 part cement and 3 parts sand. You need to keep your concrete mix really dry to where it's almost like sand but just a little bit wet. And actually, you'll want to use the same type of sand that you're going to put in as an infill in the putting green. Now, place your torpedo level on top of the cup to level out your cup. Depending on what height your turf is how high you'll set your cups. And your cups will be adjustable, so you'll always want to set them just a little bit higher. For instance, this turf that we're using is 1 inch. So I'm going to have the cup set up about 1 1/4 inch. Now you want to put the concrete around the sides of your cups. If you get a little bit of this mixture in the cup, it's okay. You can shop back it out later. Now there's 2 types of tools that we're going to be using, which will introduce the regular metal float, and this will allow you to remove the excess mixture from around the cup and also will help you keep the area flattened out. Keep scooping, smoothing, and flattening the mixture around the cup. Now you'll want to grab your torpedo level and check the level of your cup and make sure it's level, because if you don't and your cup is sitting sideways, that's the way your flags will be pointing. So just be sure to make sure that it is level. And as you can see, my concrete mix is almost like sand. It's really easy to work with, and the purpose of this sandy mixture is to keep it from sticking to your trowel, which, as you know, if you work with concrete, is a complete nightmare. Keep patting it down. Now place the torpedo level on top of the cup and continue flattening the mixture, keeping an eye on that bubble in the level. Once your cup is leveled, add a little more concrete if needed, but be careful not to bump or hit the cup any more than necessary. And in a moment, we'll switch to the magnesium trowel. Not that you have to, it's just a personal preference. Start patting down the sandy concrete mixture around your cup. Like I said earlier, this concrete is really dry, almost like sand, so it's really easy to work with. We'll let that set up to dry for about 1.5 hours. You may want to let it set up a little bit longer depending on your circumstances and situation. About 1.5 hours from now, and spin or rotate the cup just a little bit. That's what keeps it from sticking. Check the level of your cup again with the torpedo level. This last step is just to clean up the edges, flattening down the rest of the concrete mixture using the trowel, making sure you have a nice transition all the way around the cup. And that's how puttinggreen.com installs the adjustable concrete cup. Thank you for watching.